I'm Lealyn Agravante, who will presenting the acute renal failure and ESRD as a concept map. Acute renal failure is also known as ESRD. ESRD is sudden immobility of kidney to excrete nitrogenous and loss of excretory renal function caused to failure production of erythropoietin and decreased RBC that cause anemia and pallor. Sudden immobility of kidney to excrete nitrogenous is decreased sodium and potassium excretion. Decreased sodium and potassium leads to hypokalemia and hyponatremia. Decreased sodium-potassium excretion result to failure production of vitamin D due to failure inactive form of calcium in the parathyroid hormone and it increased phosphorus in the blood to lead hypophosphatemia. Sudden immobility of kidney to excrete nitrogenous is due to decreased GFR goes to inability to excrete urine due to further loss of nephron function. Inability to excrete urine cause of loss of sodium in the urine result to water retention and leads to edema. Some of lifestyle of cause acute renal failure or ESRD is smoking, alcoholic drinker, and diet. Smoking, alcoholic drinker, and diet is may cause of hypertension and DM. Hypertension is goes to renal frequent vasoconstriction, cause of increased renal blood flow, activation of RAAS. DM is increased blood glucose and increased viscosity due to renal vascular resistance. May also have a treatment of acute renal failure, called dialysis, and have a diagnosis of acute renal failure, excess fluid volume and disturbed body image, and risk for infection. That's all.